Have you ever had a craving for pizza, but at the same time kind of was wanting some Thanksgiving food, but you were strapped for cash? Today we're making a Thanksgiving pizza on a budget. And by on a budget, Walmart brand gravy for the sauce. Stuffing is going to be the crust. We're going to make some cheesy potatoes, add cheese in with them. That's going to be your cheesy topping. And to top it all off, we're going to take in some water and some whole berry cranberry sauce in the NutriBullet, and that's going to be the drizzle over the top. Let's see how it turns out. We got 2 cups of water. When it comes to a boil, we're going to be adding those to it, stir them up. It's simple. To this is 1.5 cups of water. We did add some butter to it, as instructed on the package. Stirring it in. This is going to be our crust for our Thanksgiving pizza. Once again, this is an experiment. We're just trying to see what it turns out like. Set it over here. Let it hang out. Cover it up. We're adding the instant potatoes. We're going to give them a stir, and you'll see they're already thickening. Put these over here and let them hang out. Bet you was like, what about turkey? What about ham? Well, went to the deli, got some Hickory smoked turkey and some Black Forest ham. Take these turkey slices. We're just going to run them down. Then we're going to go back across. Just make some little cubes. Put all that over here together. And do the same thing. We're just going to go down. There we go. And while we're here, we'll go ahead. We took the whole berry cranberry, a splash of water, put it in a NutriBullet. We're just going to make it pureed. Take a look at it, see if we can get it in our squeeze bottle. Stick around to find out how all this turns out. And now, to see if we can make a pizza crust out of stovetop stuffing. It's hot. I should have put the double gloves on here. And I think I'm going to throw this in here for just a couple minutes just to try to stiffen the crust up a little bit, and then we'll check it. Got firmer. So now we're going to bring it out and begin to build our Thanksgiving pizza, and then we'll get it back in the pizza oven. It's not going to take but a couple minutes. Those things get really hot. We're going to add some gravy. Remember, we're doing it on a budget. So we're going to sauce it up with some gravy, spread it around. So now we're going to go in with our turkey and our ham. You can just do it however you want to. This is quicker than your typical Thanksgiving dinner, that's for sure. We're going to put our potatoes in. Gonna spread them around. Put a little bit of cheese on top of this. It's a pizza blend cheese. It's mozzarella and cheddar. All right. We're gonna put it back into the pizza oven. This should not take too long. Give it a couple minutes and we're gonna take a look at it. And now our Thanksgiving pizza is ready to come out. Some more of the turkey gravy around. For all you people that love your dressing or your stuffing with a little cranberry, we're gonna drizzle it. And there you have it. Thanksgiving pizza on a budget. We cut a slice out of it. Let's see what it is. See what it tastes like. It's like being at mom's on Thanksgiving. Really cheap. Like I said, $14 or $15. If you're a single person or something, this is perfect. You get a pizza and a Thanksgiving meal for 14, 15 bucks. Last you a couple of days.